what's hot and what's not. Talking about what's hot, it's really bright and sunny outside. It's a really hot day outside, but guess what? It's fine. Every day is a good day. It's really a good day outside. So today it's our day 1 out of 3 here in Wisconsin Dells. The family was able to pull through with some plans today, and we'll be staying here till Wednesday. It's Monday right now, so we just got here in our hotel, and we're currently staying at the Wilderness. So we're at Wisconsin Dells right now. It's one of the summer capitals here in the USA. Basically, it's like filled with water parks, amusement parks, and other entertainment places. And I made a video about the Wisconsin Dells when me and my brother and my two best friends went here for spring break, and we were. What's up? There he is. Yeah, we rented this condo out for 3 days. Yeah, actually, this place is really awesome. So yeah, going back, me and my brother and my two other best friends, we went here for a spring break, and there was not much entertainment, and amusement outdoor parks were open that time because like it was still snowing outside, and it was not really that good time for like entertainment and stuff. But now, since it's summer, it's a summer capital of the USA. Excited for the plans and adventures that we're gonna come through today and for the next following 2 days. So if you guys want to check the video of us when we got here for spring break here at the Dells, I'll put the link of the video in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. And yeah, this is the place. First destination right now is Timbavati Wildlife Park, and as you can see in my recent vlog, back at it again with the animals. One more time. I'm gonna say this one more time. I love animals. I really do love animals, so I can't wait to see what's in here. So they gave us a complimentary carrots, but it's not for us to eat though. It's for the animals, sadly. So I'm currently at the train right now, and they have this like fancy beat going on. Right, Dad?
Yes.
Feels like I'm in a jungle right now. It's like an Amazon.
It's like when they're at the games.
We're moving now.
Need a zero turn.
This is really fun feeding. What are they called again?
Two antelope species from India.
What are these?
The female nilgai.
These are
are a tawny brown color with white striped stockings above the hooves. The bull begins.
So we're currently at the giraffe feeding station. Camel ride. Hi there, how's it going?
Good. Alright, I'll take these tickets. You guys ride together or separate?
I know it's a bumpy ride. So
Riding a camel.
yeah, we're riding a camel right now. Feels like we're in Egypt. It's like we're Egyptians right now. Feeding an ostrich is harder than you think. I came up to feed one, like I gave it a carrot, and I was like really scared because like it snaps all the time. So I did well on the first two, but on my third one, freaking snapped my finger. Good thing I didn't have any wound from it.
He got me too.
They don't do
You
this.
birds are bad.
They must not get carrots very well.
Look at that flow though. I wish it's a bad hair day every day, right, buddy? It's a pig race. Let's go, piggy! Let's go! Run, piggy, run! Lose that calories! So a day after the Cleveland Cavaliers won the NBA Finals, we got the true fans of Cleveland Cavaliers. What's up, Cavs fans?
Yeah.
NBA champions!
Yes.
And that's your not typical bandwagon fans. Those are real diehard fans.
Neck and neck here. It's going to be a close race here, folks. Here they come around the final corner to the plate, to the platter all the way in. It pig's good.
One thing, it's like in the high 80s right now. It's so hot outside, really sunny day. And one thing, don't forget to hydrate. Hydration is really, really important. So this is our second stop of the day. It's been a long day at the zoo earlier. I mean, a wildlife thing, but today we're gonna go boating and explore the river of Wisconsin Dells and just know a little bit of history about it. Silly sailor. Look at all of this. So all of these things were taken from the prisoners of Nazi concentration camps. It's pretty interesting. Look at this. Salute to this pilot. First Lieutenant Harvey Maitner or something. Pilot K from 1945. He was stationed in the Philippines. Oh, that's really cool. Repping out the Phil. So now we're loading the bus to go to the boat place. See ya.
See you later, Chief. Have a good one.
You too. And so we're at the docking port and we're about to ride a jet boat. It has like a lot of history to it, like with World War II and stuff like that. Ooh, it's slippery. So this is where we ride our boat. Yup.
Rufus, boy, let me love, boy, what you know. Rufus, boy, let me love, boy, what you know.
So this is it. The boat engine is starting right now, and I heard we're gonna do a lot of crazy stuff.
Rufus, boy, let me love, boy, what you know. Rufus, boy, let me love, boy, what you know. Rufus, boy, let me love, boy, what you know. Rufus, boy, let me love. Caught up in my tape. Caught up in my tape.
Raise your hand if you're happy. Raise your hand if you're happy.
I miss you in the basement. I can leave a card without ever letting you know. Without ever letting you know. Without ever letting you know.
So that is Chief Blackhawk's profile. Kind of looks like the western edge of Wisconsin if you look at it really closely. Okay, so I had just mentioned Black Hawk Island. That is
I'm learning a
ironically
lot
our
of
next
history right
spot
now.
in the tour today.
So this place is called the Lover Lane.
Everybody
Shout out to all the lovers out there.
The Love Connection with Chuck.
Without ever letting you know.
Raise your hand if you had a good time today. Okay, excellent.
I had a freaking
excellent.
good time. So as you can see, we're all wet. Really wet. We got all wet. But one thing though, that was really fun. Learned a lot of history and whoa. That driver was crazy. He was really, really crazy. He was like going 120 miles per hour and just hit the brakes. That was really, really crazy. And I did not really expect I was going to be this wet, but he did his job. All of the passengers in that boat was soaked. One heck of an experience. So we are at our third destination, and apparently the day is not over yet, despite all the adventure we had earlier. It's been a crazy long day, but the fun never ends. The fun keeps on going on, and today, right now, we're at Lost Canyon. The wishbone tree makes your wish come true. It's gonna be fun.
Now, also,
is this even part of the show?
Crazy because I have to work with guys like you. You've been an irritating thorn under my saddle for years.
All right. You don't have to be mean. I'm just joking around here.
Well, I'm not.
By the way, nice belt.
Good luck, folks.
So we just got done with the Lost Canyon tour and the carriage tour. So with the rock formations, it was really, really cool. Had fun, but one thing about it though, the girl in front of me just won't stop talking. It was so freaking annoying.
What can you do?
It's a whistle.
It's a survival whistle.
Really?
You can
Yep.
whistle.
I've never heard of that.
Make the loudest whistle ever.
Really?
Yep, that is really cool.
You put your fingers
It's way beyond expectations.
and a microwave and a
Summer
fridge.
breeze for sure.
It was really, really annoying, but it's fine. At the end of the day, what counts is having fun. We are on to our last stop for the day, and this will be the best one so far because it's food. What is up? So it's that time of the day, editing, and well, it's been a long day today. It's late at night now, but I have to finish editing this video. I hope that you guys like the video today. It's a long day filled with adventure and excitement. I hope tomorrow will be the same thing, and I hope it's gonna be better. So, well, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Well, that was supposed to go off. Let me do it again. What's going on?